Hey everyone, this is Famta. I'm back with another Linux Mint tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to install kde-plasma-desktop on Linux Mint. So why do you want to install kde-plasma-desktop? And I would say just to customize your desktop a little bit more, because it gives you a lot of power in terms of customizations and installing different themes and all. So if you want to do that, then I would say kde-plasma-desktop is the best desktop environment for customizing. So to install kde-plasma-desktop, all you have to do is just write 3 lines of commands in the terminal, and those are, so the first one is gonna be, let's just clear this. So the first one is gonna be sudo add-apt-repository ppa kubuntu-ppa /backports, and then just press enter and type the password. Press enter again, and this is pretty much done. So the second command would be sudo apt-update. Now once that is done, clear this, and the last command is gonna be the command to install kde-plasma-desktop, and that is sudo apt-install kde-plasma-desktop. Press enter and press Y and press enter, and that is basically it. So now it will install the kde-plasma-desktop in the Linux Mint. So this is gonna take a few minutes, so I'll be back once this is done. Okay, so here I'm gonna press enter, and I'm going to choose light DM, and I'm going to press enter, and this will just finish up the process. So guys, as you can see, this is done. So I'm going to close the terminal and just restart my computer, and I will meet you at the login screen. So guys, as you can see, I'm at the login screen right now. So all you have to do from here is click on this icon over here and choose Plasma from here. So let me just show you clearly. So you have to just choose Plasma from here. So you'll have this option only if you have installed the kde-plasma-desktop. So I'm going to choose Plasma and type my password and press enter, and right now we are going to be in kde-plasma-desktop. So the good thing about this is that if you don't like the kde-plasma-desktop, then you can always go back to your default desktop environment, and just all you have to do is just select the default desktop environment, which is Cinnamon for Linux Mint, from the login screen, and that is it. So you can always choose between those two desktop environments. So yeah, we are in kde-plasma-desktop now. So let me just switch back to the screen recorder. So guys, as you can see, we are in kde-plasma-desktop now. So this is it. So from here you can do a lot of customizations. You can install different kind of themes. So if you wanna learn how to customize your desktop, you can just watch my other videos where I showed how to customize kde-plasma-desktop. It gives you a lot of customization tools that you can use to change the entire look of your desktop environment. So yeah, you can check those out. So this is basically it. This video was just to show you how to install kde-plasma-desktop in Linux Mint. And of course, if you don't like this desktop environment, then you can go back to your previous desktop environment. All you have to do is just choose the default desktop environment from the login screen, and you will go back to your previous desktop environment. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, you can give it a like and subscribe. Totally up to you, but if you do, then I would really appreciate that. And yeah, just keep supporting me. See you in the next video.